Buddy. Knocking me down, buddy.
Way too loud.
Oh.
Oh,
that's cool.
Sandy said?
When I was in Florida, they lit up like ones that they made like the head of Mickey Mouse. Those are awesome.
Yeah, I want to see that.
I was 11. That was a long time ago. Shut up.
What?
I said that was a long time ago. That was a really long time ago. 20 years. It was that long.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was a hard.
Huh?
If anybody asks me at Water Country when we say it's my birthday, and everybody says, how old do you? Say 29.
39.
Because I want to be 29 forever.
How old are you?
That
You
now
know,
kills
gonna
you.
put a
You
sign
can
on
get
your
the
back
get
that
stuff
I'm
come
45
down right
today.
in your head.
I would beat him to death.
You hear that? Dude, beat you. Can I get the purple seat?
Free tickets.
You want that to happen. Bad. You look warm. Where I am. I'm missing them all. I'm on the grass now, not on the Get away. I'm supposed to be first.
Oh my god, I'm still going.
Cool. No, cool. Ah. When's the finale?
Next time you go to Rieta, they sell boxes of 50 of them for $5.
Wow. Are you getting there when I'm recording?
Yep.
And you're gonna post it on Facebook? I'm gonna watch it?
Probably.
Too loud.
Oh, it's mine.
Huh?
Yeah, buddy.
Wait, does that record
Mama can't
voices
pick
too?
you up.
Oh yeah, it's recording.
Too heavy.
Whoa. Ooh, that looks like a flower.
Hold my head up.
Hold your head up. Scoot up, I told you. You can lay on me. A lot better. Your water that was behind you, I threw between your legs.
I lost it. No, I got that.
Told you.
What's the light? Oh.
I don't think so, buddy.
I can hear Lily right now.
Oh my god, that was loud.
I don't like loud things. My heart's gotta be pounding.
Shut your hole. Okay, now we're back.
You just want them to keep you warm, don't you? I know we're going to be stuck in traffic. You should have brought one of
This is supposed to be enjoyable.
Whatever came down the field.
because we're going to have to wait.
I'll put you in the trunk.
No,
I'm
no.
Go by the house.
What house here?
Some of that stuff came down to tree level still in the
Do
field.
you?
Yep.
Why? No, say on 25th.
No.